All right. Hello, welcome. Thanks for joining me again on this video. I know in the last couple of videos that I've mentioned that I'm going to be creating some passive income using Solana instead of Binance Smart Chain, which I've been showing in the last couple of videos. This one, I'm going to be showing you how to A, do staking with Solana, and B, how to start yield farming with Solana. And here's the cool part. I've actually saved this whole journey that I'm about to take for the first time. I'm going to show you how to do it. How to set everything up from the get-go. I kind of have an idea, so I might make a mistake or two here or there, but that's all part of the learning process. So let's go ahead and get started. We're all going to be learning together. You feel me? So firstly, primarily, in the beginning, so I have about 4.5 Solana here in my Binance.us account. I'm gonna be moving this into a Phantom wallet, and the Phantom wallet I'm going to connect to RAYDIUM, the decentralized exchange. And well, first of all, I'm going to set up the staking within the Phantom wallet, and then I'm going to set up the yield farming within the RAYDIUM DEX. Yeah, so let's start here. I'm going to add the Phantom wallet to my Chromes. I imagine it should be the same for Firefox if that's what you're using, but you definitely can't use Safari. I'm pretty sure you can't use Safari. I've never created a Phantom wallet before, so I'm going to create a new one. You thought you could see this, but you can't. I'm going to copy that down and put it somewhere. So I'm going to create a password. Oh, that's cool. All right. Follow us on Twitter. Don't think so, buddy. So let me add the extension here. There we go. Okay. All right. All my wallets are there now. Cool. All right. So that's there. So now let's open this. I'll put in my password. All right. Don't have anything there right now. I'm going to deposit. I want to withdraw Solana. All right. Just copy that. I would do this from my phone, but seeing as how I'm showing it on a YouTube video, I'll do it here. So I'm going to withdraw my Solana. That's the address. Double check. DLST ends with DLST. Starts with CV something. DLST. Okay, looks good. I'm only going to do a little bit at first just to make sure we're all good. 04. Email, okay. All right, so finally did that. All right, now we wait. So it looks like you may have to turn this on just so it's there. All right, so now we just wait. What's this? You are not connected to Phantom app. I don't think we need to be. There we go. That was pretty fast. So that's everything there. So we're good. We are Gucci to go. I'm gonna withdraw the rest. Okay, cool. Go to wallet. I'll just wait here for that. So while we wait, that's pretty cool. You can trade right within the wallet. A couple wallets allow that. That's very nice. There we go. All of it's in there. So now, the nice thing about this wallet and Solana in general, we can start staking straight in here. So 10% fee. Is that normal? I guess so. So apparently there's a website to check Solana validator performance rankings. Cool. I think it's broken. Not a great website. Okay. Brother, what? Our validator is located far away from the geo epicenter of the Solana network and our charges 0% commission. I like that. Copy the vote account. I heard that work email. Okay. Searching. There they are. 0% fee. All right. I'll throw something in there. All right, I'm gonna put in 1 for now. Let's just see how it works, how it goes. Stake that MFer. Let's view the transaction. Why not? It says it's success already. 28. I wonder how many it has. 32. Yeah. All right. So there's that. If I click here, there we go. 1 sold. If I click in there, it's activating. All right, I'll check into that later. Let's move on to the second portion, RAYDIUM. All right, here's the RAYDIUM app. Let's go in here. Oh, one cool thing that I found recently is this website DeFi Llama, and it shows it's basically an overview of the decentralized finance landscape. And if you come here, it shows you that TVL, the total value locked in US dollars for all DeFi platforms right now, is at $257 billion. You can see the growth since last year. Last year around the summertime is when I first started hearing about it. It already hit $1 billion sometime around there, and then just look at the explosion since then. It's crazy. If I come down here to Solana, you'll see that this is the biggest decentralized exchange on the network. So that's pretty nice. And then I've shown you Binance before. There's PancakeSwap and Ethereum. They have a few other ones. So yeah, can't go wrong, right? Pretty trustworthy. All right, so essentially it's going to be around the same thing. I'm going to connect my Phantom wallet. Connect there. Here's my address. So I am trying to stake some LP tokens. Well, yeah. So I will have to do some swapping. I want to do this one right here, the RAYDIUM Solana one. It also looks like that's their biggest pool, so that's nice. One thing I always check, I've already checked it, but one thing to check before you enter into one of these is check how one of the legs of the pool is doing over time. We all know Solana's exponentially growing, but how is RAYDIUM doing? So, if we check the 1 month, 3 months, it's up. It's now, if you had started here, maybe that would have been a little bit unfortunate. You would have lost a good portion of the value that you could have had if you didn't swap from Solana to RAYDIUM. But from here, it's looking healthier-ish. So, I think it's worth trying it out. So, okay, so first we need RAYDIUM. So we'll come here, swap from, we have Sol, and then we want to get RAYDIUM. So we do need some to keep, remember, for any fees required. So for now, I'll try to keep around 0.5. I'll keep 0.5 for now. So I have 3 to play with. So that means 3 divided by 2 is 1.5. So 1.5 plus the 1.5 here, or sorry, the 1.5 here plus the 1.5 that's remaining. That'll be 3 Solana, and then I'll have 0.5 remaining for any fees and stuff. That'll be a lot left, honestly, but we're just doing this for now. And then let's go ahead and swap. Make sure you trust the application. I guess I can trust them. Wow, look at that. That's a very low network fee. That's even lower than Binance is. But that's to be expected. It's a smaller network, so there's less gas fees involved in order to make these. All right, so we're good there. So we've done the swap. Let's see. There's the RAYDIUM. There's a SOL. Cool. Oh, we gotta get the liquidity token. So the SOL, we'll do 1.5 here plus the RAYDIUM. $1.531. It went down. What do I have? 31. So the rate went down a little bit before I changed. Okay, that's fine. Supply. Approve. Done. Pretty fast. Pretty fast. All right, so now I have the Ray Sol tokens here. Sounds like a cool name. Go to the farms. Ray Sol SLP. Stake the LP. I got 20 of those guys. Confirm. Jeez. So that's like not even pennies. What is that? There you go. All right, that's it. It's making me some money. And then whatever rewards it gives me. Let's see if I go back here. Yeah, these are the ones I'm in. Okay, so the reward that it's giving out is the RAYDIUM, and then with that RAYDIUM, I can come back here to staking and stake that RAYDIUM again once I pull it out, and then I earn another 20%, 19.5% on that staking. So that's, my money's making more monies, and which is making more monies. So yeah, that's the RAYDIUM thing. What do you think? So that was pretty cool. I didn't mess up anywhere. I mean, I've only been doing stuff like this for a while. So hopefully, it makes me a good amount of money. Like I said, I buy, today's actually Wednesday, and Wednesdays is when I purchase some Solana automatically on Binance. So Wednesdays are my Solana days. Mondays are Ethereum and a couple other things. So yeah, I'll just continue pumping money into Phantom staking and into the RAYDIUM liquidity pools and everything, and create some more cash that way. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. Hopefully you learned something. Stick around for my videos next time.